Say, in the bounty of Allah and in His mercy in that, let them rejoice. It is better than whatever they accumulate. What brings you true joy on Eid? Is it the laughter shared over sweet treats, the warm hugs after prayer, or the quiet gratitude in your heart for another blessed Ramadan? As we celebrate Eid, let's remember that our faith is the greatest gift, a source of joy that transcends this world. Tell us, how do you celebrate Eid and what does your faith mean to you during this beautiful time? Eid is more than just a celebration, it's a moment of reflection, gratitude, and pure joy. A time when hearts are lighter, smiles are brighter, and the spirit of togetherness fills the air. And what better way to elevate this joy than through the timeless words of the Quran? While Eid is a time of celebration, not everyone feels the joy so easily. Many of us carry silent burdens, the weight of personal struggles, grief, or just the exhaustion of daily life. And during a time meant for joy, some hearts still feel distant, wondering how to truly connect with the meaning behind the celebration. Even when joy feels far away, the Quran gently calls us back to mercy, to purpose, and to the kind of peace that lasts beyond the festivities. Eid is a celebration of faith, gratitude, and renewal. And the Quran is filled with verses that mirror these emotions, gentle reminders that joy is part of our journey and that Allah's mercy is always near. Surah Ad-Duha 93:5. And your Lord is going to give you, and you will be satisfied. After a month of sacrifice and devotion, this verse reminds us that Allah sees our efforts, and He promises satisfaction beyond what we can imagine. Eid becomes a symbol of that reward. And then, there's this verse, one that holds the heart of every believer close. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:28. Verily in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. In a world that often rushes past us, where moments of true peace feel rare, this verse is a sanctuary. A reminder that real joy isn't in the noise of celebration, it's in the calm after sujood, the tears after dua, the whisper of Alhamdulillah in your heart. From our hearts to yours, Eid Mubarak. May your days be filled with light, love, and the remembrance of Allah. Like, comment, and subscribe for more uplifting Islamic content.